front suspension is completely seized. Look at the corrosion here.
We'll need the heavy winch for this one.
All right, team, let's get this organised quickly. Where do you want the welding gear? Keep the main aisle clear for now. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Secure the corner straps now. Ratcheting the front left. Check the alignment on the passenger side. Looks good. Stands are locked. Confirmed. Ready to lift.
Okay, pump it slowly. It's clearing the ground now. Watch the rear support.
Make sure the compressor is fully covered. Got it. Pass me another strap for the welding gear. Check the diagnostic station next. Well, that's comprehensive. The floodwater must have sat for months. Look at the wiring loom. Look at the state of these rocker panels. It's completely compromised. And the suspension mounts are barely holding, recording severe structural corrosion here.
All right, let's get the pressure washer connected to the main line. Testing the foam cannon nozzle now. I'll start with the brushes on the undercarriage.
Look at that. Clean as a whistle.
All right, let's keep moving forward on the floor structure. Check the alignment on the left rail. It's off by 5 millimeters here. We need to mark this section for replacement. The alignment looks spot on. Good. All the suspension points are torqued correctly. Suspension arm, check. Bushings, check.
Make sure the wiring harness matches the original loom connectors.
Alignment is perfect on the panels. The interior is spotless, factory standard. Sign it off.
Thank you so much.
It was our pleasure, sir.
We are so very grateful.